If you're a DJ and have ever posted your mix on the internet, I'm sure you've encountered this problem.
Five minutes later.
What? Whether you're a pro DJ or beginner DJ, we all face copyright strikes and getting our content blocked when uploading mixes online. Now, a lot of you guys actually ask me, as a YouTuber who has a bunch of videos with copyrighted music, how do I get away with it? And the truth is, I don't. Like you, my content gets copyrighted when I use songs that I did not originally make. But luckily and importantly, my content doesn't get blocked or struck. And that's the only reason you've been able to see and view my copyrighted content. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my uploading secrets so that you're able to upload copyrighted content like me without getting blocked, banned, or flagged. Hopefully. So let's first start with understanding what a copyright claim is. Essentially, if you post a video that contains a track that is copyrighted, then YouTube's system will notify the owner or label of the track. From there, they can choose a couple of actions. They can either monetize your video, block it, or copyright strike your channel. So if they choose to monetize your video, then you're free to post your content online. All the earnings from the views your video may get though will go to the label or owners of the original track. Now, if the label or owners of the track choose to block your video, then that's it. Your mix is done. Hey, future Carlo here. Well, actually, your mix isn't totally done. Sometimes the label or owner of the track can just block your mix in certain regions. Anyway, if you do want to listen to mixes and music without any restrictions, you may want to consider using ExpressVPN to do so. Because for less than $7 a month, which also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can view and listen to out-of-country content without the fear of being restricted. For example, if you want to listen to some really hip jazz from Japan, you may encounter this problem. But with ExpressVPN, you can bypass that by opening the app, selecting another region, and connecting. So if you want to try ExpressVPN, you can use my exclusive link, expressvpn.com/DJCarlo to get an extra 3 months of service for free. So what are you waiting for? It's time now to expand your musical horizons with ExpressVPN today. Anyway, back to the video. Even if they just block one song from a mix consisting of 100 copyrighted songs, you will still not be able to post your content. And if you think that hurts, the third option they have is the worst. They can copyright strike your channel. And what this means is that they can potentially get your channel deleted if you post highly sensitive copyrighted tracks 3 times within 90 days. So if you do get a strike, just stop whatever you're doing and maybe pursue a new hobby until your strike is lifted. Anyway, now that you better understand the situation when uploading copyrighted content, your question now may be this. How can one upload copyrighted content without it getting blocked or having your channel struck? Well, now, I'm going to show you my secret method of doing just that. So the first thing I do is plan the songs I want to mix with. Then I get all the song files and put them in my video editor of choice. Next is that I export the video consisting of my planned songs. Then I head over to YouTube. There I click the camera icon with the plus button, then select Upload Video. Then I drag the exported video file of the test mix into the browser to upload it. Now before you publish your video, make sure to turn off monetization. Then click on the visibility tab on the top right area and select either private or unlisted. I tend to use unlisted so that I can share the link with others if needed. And to finish this whole process, I'll press save and wait till the video upload is complete. Now this is the part where you can identify the status of the tracks you plan to mix. Go to YouTube Studio, click Videos, then select your video you just uploaded. Then click Visibility, and then click View Copyright Claim Details. YouTube will then provide a summary of the copyrighted tracks used, what songs are potentially blocked, and what actions the owner or label has decided to do with them. To stay safe, I keep note of what songs are blocked and I simply not include them when I do make and record my copyrighted mix. Also, I don't dispute the claim. That'll just complicate things and it's a lot better and easier to just find another song to replace a blocked song with. So once you revamp your mix, test upload it again to see if anything will get blocked. And if something does appear, remove that song and readjust accordingly. But if you finally feel that you're all good, then publish that video out. Now keep in mind that this method is not completely 100% safe. You still run the risk of having your mix blocked or getting struck because I personally have gotten blocked and struck even after uploading copyrighted mixes 4 months, 2 months, 2 weeks down the road. Anyway, let me know if you're gonna start uploading copyrighted mixes down below, and with that said, I will see you all in the next one. This method isn't exactly perfect, but it'll get you the easy result you're looking for. And don't worry, if you do get struck, just postpone everything and just wait.